Guys, see. Guys, see. Guys, what did they happen now? Guys, see.
When it stop me now, when you dey call person, you no wan answer, you no let am be. Wetin be your own now? No disturb me.
No vex now. Why you dey vex like this now? What did they happen?
Okay, you go tell me say wetin dey happen now for when dey viral, dey internet, you go tell me say you no dey see am.
My brother, many things dey happen for this life. Many things dey happen for this. Which one for you?
Okay, this recent one when dey happen, you no dey see am. Abi you no dey internet?
Okay. And that one where that Pastor Jeremiah come help that Nollywood actor wey still give am 8 million naira.
Yes now. Oh God, I the one I did the first, but you don't ask me. I must answer. Yes, before people go say I not get respect. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning. In fact, good night. Come be at the paro. Good night. Now. What's the happen? And before I go, since you don't ask me now, when I want to answer, before I go start, I want to take something. Maybe say this talk one they talk. Now influence of what I want to take. Because I know say after they talk now, you don't say truth they bitter. When person they talk truth, you go to get enemy. When they talk truth, people no go like you. Even say they no go share because they know say you they talk truth. They don't want truth. But whether they like it or not, Nollywood now I come for. Yes, Nollywood. Now make me come here. Nollywood now question me careful now. Why be say what you know the art una they do am? Now they say Nollywood me watch when be say then talk say if you sleep with person husband say e no good. Nollywood they do am. Now this saying this Nollywood now me watch say if man na 88 years, pikin of 10 years not supposed marry 80 years pikin. Nollywood they do am. Now Nollywood I watch say sugar mommy not good. Nollywood they do am. Nollywood they wetin pay me pass na there poison. They go tell you say you go dey watch German, they go dey put poison for person food. The person go die, they say e no good. Nollywood now, most Nollywood when they die na poison they kill them. We never come up for no poison one. They come again now. All the old Nollywood celebrity, all of them are sickness and they sick. And I know they laugh anybody. Sickness and normal thing. Yes, Muna hear me well. Me not they laugh anybody. Sickness and normal thing. Yes. But wetin dey pay me be say Nollywood not like theirself. Nollywood not dey show love. E dey for Bible, show love to one another. Nollywood not a great one. Nollywood actor or actress go dey sick. Nollywood go abandon am. Nollywood when una not get union, una not get when una dey talk, when una dey help people. Okay, see now our great actor, legend for that matter. When we say cry out, say he need help. I not see Zubi. But look this video what they show you. The day when Obi Kubana mama die, Zubi they throw away money, push shirt, they knack money, they say not doings. Kind of come out to say for all part they go hear them. But now celebrity they sick, actor they sick, nobody fit treat them. That will not be good thing. If not be who God sent for us, Jeremiah, say make he help the privilege when he they do. So then now he they even extend the giving to Nollywood people. We not good. Now make me come out. Not besides Jeremiah help na bad thing. But Jeremiah get many people where they help. I beg Nollywood una get money. See Destiny Atiku. Now so moto they change. They say na fans. All those fans when they do for una. They know they see all those one when they sick when they do for. I don't know no fans. Now those who are fans. Now when una just dey na to buy na moto. When they sick, I be okay make I ask una art part this man when they sick so. What time? Una art pass am. You know the rule of all those people now get Nollywood. Now you be saying when I just come out now, everything small thing when I talk to get money. Nothing concern me for when I get money. That will not be my problem. But I beg, when I try the help. When I tell you, and not they ask me this kind of question again. No ask me this kind of question, make I think my life. Because maybe me not go use my mouth put myself for trouble. No ask me again.
Wait. Now only this one now they make me the best.
You know this me the best. And many things make me the best, but I know say na internet I dey. So I don't need to talk too much because many talk they miss. I don't want miss.
No, my brother, make you talk. My ears are wide open. Talk.
You dey say make me talk. When they will find me, you go there.
Talk now.
When they will find me, you dey there.
Talk.
Okay, see now, Mr. Ibu. When we say me they respect so much. Mr. Ibu when come out, tell us they give him poison. He better swell up, they heal him. Imagine now, Mr. Ibu, I don't know whether he need the progress of Nigeria or he follow people when they kill Nigeria. Mr. Ibu when I say he go dey fight for the betterment of Nigeria, now he dey kill Nigeria. See Mr. Ibu now, imagine how much, even they won't give you money, how much. When you just come out now, your pride, your everything, people when they respect you now, you won't make that they see you anyhow. It don't make sense. People when die for Lekki toll gate, when you go dey fight for, when Lekki toll gate massacre dey, you not go Aso Rock. When Lekki toll gate massacre dey, they not organize una can speak on their behalf of politics. When many things they happen, problem, you know they dey. Every time now when we say election they come for 2023, you they go, they appoint person, you they go. If an appointment, my dear, politics they go use you. After they don't use you, finish, then dump you. You know, if it's smart thing they give you now, you go chop am for another 4 years. Yes, you go chop am for another 4 years. Una go put poor masses for suffer. We dey talk say make the country better. Una still dey follow spoiler. You see, make I tell una, I don't want to talk too much. Anybody when not agree get sense this year, and me don't talk say I must force them make they get sense. And if you don't agree get sense, I go use this copper, I go choke your eye, and you go know say you be a witch.
What is called Jeremiah Omoto Fufui Foundation to support. We are here not to only support you in prayers, we also embark you, we also support you with finance. Because finance, you need it. As you are going, it takes money. It takes money. Because nothing is free out there. So, we are going to support you, Jeremiah Omoto Fufui Foundation, as you are going. We are hereby support your journey for this operation with sum of 8 million naira.
Welcome to the factory, Factory 78.
Of Tinubu's involvement to contest for president in Nigeria. I'm a completely independent person in the area I perform. I'm a comedian, I'm a musician, I'm an actor. Anything that has to do with anybody want me to talk about, the person will come and address me on that, and I have no directions. I don't know why this is going around like this. From time, I've never run any sideways. It has been me and Atiku all this way. I've been taking me to places. And if Atiku is contesting for president, certainly, because he has done a lot of things for me. You know, there was a time he changed a house for me and all that, and I said, let me stay here for now. He's like a father to me. He is contesting for president under PDP. Certainly, I have been working for him even in his own state. The word said is the word said, and I don't understand. I'm not trying to pull him down. He's a good candidate, that's right, but I'm not his candidate. You know. Atiku is my candidate. And a whole lot of people who has helped me even when I'm sick. His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Enugu State, took me out of the country to go and treat me. Why will I now disappoint them? These are my people. Anybody I visited, probably on invitation, is simply because I'm an actor and they want me to assist them in one way or the other in whatever they are doing. That does not mean I abandon my father's name. I did not. Everybody is contesting, and then may God help them. Anybody who wins, let the person win. It has been like that.
Listen.